Before you begin to see yourself walking sa destiny nga giandam sa Ginoo sa imo, you're going to see the power of God manifest in your life. You have to stir yourself up. Kada bitong murag galangoy ka nga, you stir yourself up or you're going to sink to the bottom. You need to encourage yourself in the Lord. Just like sa gibuhat ni David. Remember Peter sa iyang paglakaw sa tubig? Remember mo na nga story? Jesus walked on water. Nakita ni Peter, unya gingon siya nga, Lord, if that's you, bid me to come. Ingon si Jesus, come. Of all the disciples that were there, was it only Peter nga naay opportunity to walk on water? Or was it the 12 nga naay opportunity? Ha? Tanan disciples were given the opportunity to walk on water. Pero kinsa ra may nakalakaw sa tubig? It was Peter. And many people would want to have a testimony about walking on water. But to walk on water means you have to get out of the boat. To get out of the boat means you have to get out of your comfort zone. To get out of the boat means you have to rise up from mediocrity to destiny. To get out of the boat means you have to rise up from unbelief to faith.